They say Silicon Valley is supposed to be one of the most expensive places to live in the world. However, there are opportunities out there like this condo we have for sale, which is an ideal home for a first-time home buyer, which would be cheaper than renting here in the Bay Area. Now, it doesn't matter if it's a $400,000 or $500,000 condo or a $5 million property or a $50 million property. We sell it all and we can't wait to show you this property. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 1760 Halford Avenue, Unit 271. A very charming one-bedroom, one-bath condo in the peaceful park-like setting of the sought-after Las Brisas Community. Enjoy an abundance of natural light with a floor-to-ceiling sliding door in the living area, which leads to a private patio where you can spend those quiet moments. The kitchen comes equipped with plenty of cabinets for your storage needs. This beautifully landscaped complex offers many amenities, including elevators, parks with barbecue grills, 2 swimming pools, a spa, sauna, gym, clubhouse, tennis court, and billiard room. The HOA fees cover most utilities, including gas, water, garbage, basic cable TV, and much more. This unit comes complete with a dedicated carport and plenty of guest parking. Just a short drive to the new Apple campus, Google, Nvidia, Qualcomm, and many other major high-tech companies.
As you saw, it's a great opportunity. If you have any questions, that's what I'm here for. Reach out to me anytime. We'll see you soon.